Smartphones have become essential in everyday life, but many users notice their devices slowing down over time. So, what causes this frustrating phenomenon? First off, software updates play a significant role. Manufacturers regularly release updates to improve security and add features. However, these updates often require more processing power and memory than older devices can handle. As a result, a once snappy phone may start to lag after an update. Next, consider the apps. Over time, users accumulate numerous apps, many of which run in the background. These apps consume valuable resources, leading to slower performance. Some apps may not be optimized for older devices, further exacerbating the problem. Storage space is another critical factor. As phones fill up with photos, videos, and apps, they can struggle to operate efficiently. When storage is nearly full, the device has less room to manage temporary files and cache data, resulting in sluggish performance. Regularly clearing out unused apps and files can help keep a phone running smoothly. Battery health also plays a crucial role in performance. Lithium-ion batteries, commonly used in smartphones, degrade over time. A weakened battery may not provide enough power for the processor to function optimally, causing the phone to slow down. Users may notice their devices performing better when plugged in, highlighting the impact of battery health on overall performance. Another aspect to consider is thermal throttling. Smartphones generate heat during heavy use, such as gaming or video streaming. To prevent overheating, devices automatically reduce performance, which can lead to noticeable slowdowns. Keeping a phone cool by avoiding direct sunlight and using it in a well-ventilated area can help mitigate this issue. Operating system bloat is also a concern. Over time, phones accumulate unnecessary files and data from apps and the operating system itself. This bloat can take up valuable storage and processing power, leading to slower performance. Regularly clearing cache and uninstalling unused apps can help combat this problem. Lastly, hardware limitations come into play. As technology advances, newer apps and features demand more from devices. Older phones may struggle to keep up with these demands, leading to a decline in performance. Users may find that their once powerful device can't handle the latest apps or games, resulting in frustration. In summary, phones slow down over time due to a combination of software updates, app accumulation, storage issues, battery health, thermal throttling, operating system bloat, and hardware limitations. To keep a phone running smoothly, users can take proactive steps like managing storage, monitoring battery health, and regularly clearing out unnecessary files. Understanding these factors can help users make informed decisions about when to upgrade their devices and how to maintain optimal performance.